Hey guys, welcome back. This time around M3 that I customed a year or so ago. Never quite finished it. It was supposed to be a time attack hill climb car. As you can see, I did quite a few modifications to it, but I decided it's time to change it up a bit. So what I'm going to do in this episode is I'm going to take everything apart and put these wheels on. These wheels courtesy of Wayne's World of Diecast, link in the description below. So I also made a steering rack for it. I'll put a link to that video of mine showing you how to make all the little components for the steering rack, so you can also make your Hot Wheels front wheels steerable. So let's get going. So I'm taking the car apart, taking the whole back off, separating it from the main body. This BMW E30 M3 comes from the premium range back in the day, and as you can see, I've removed the front bumper as well as the rear bumper, made an intercooler for it up front, but that is all going to go away. Marking the chassis out as to where I'm going to cut it to put the steering rack in, and then also trim it a bit more. And there you can see the axles in with the new wheels. The front axle, I just pinch the edge of the axle so the wheel pops on over and can't fall out. And then I painted it with Tamiya paint, a white base with metallic green, building into a little drift missile. There you can see the nudge bar at the back, and just a quick little custom, as well as a little diorama for it as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Yeah, as I said, a little drift missile. Not too much of an effort, but I quite like the outcome of it. See you guys again on the next one, and stay safe. Cheers.